In our daily interactions, understanding human behavior is crucial for building meaningful relationships and navigating social dynamics. By reading people without them knowing, we can gain insights into their thoughts and feelings, allowing us to respond more effectively. Stoic philosophy, with its emphasis on self-awareness and observation, offers valuable principles that can sharpen our observational skills. By practicing mindfulness and focusing on the present moment, we can become more attuned to subtle cues in body language and tone. In this video, we will explore practical techniques rooted in Stoic teachings that you can apply immediately to enhance your ability to read others. Get ready to unlock the secrets of human behavior and improve your interactions in both personal and professional settings. 1. Understanding. Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that emphasizes rationality, emotional control, and the pursuit of virtue. Its core tenets encourage individuals to focus on what they can control while accepting what they cannot. This mindset fosters self-awareness, allowing us to reflect on our own thoughts and emotions. By cultivating emotional resilience, Stoicism also enhances our capacity for empathy, enabling us to better understand the feelings of others. These principles are particularly relevant when it comes to reading people, as they encourage us to observe behaviors without judgment. By applying Stoic teachings, we can interpret others' actions more accurately, recognizing that their responses often stem from their own struggles and perceptions. This deeper understanding can lead to more compassionate and effective interactions in our daily lives. 2. Observational skills. Honing your observational skills is essential for effectively reading people and understanding their emotions. One of the first steps is to pay close attention to body language and facial expressions, as these nonverbal cues often reveal more than words can convey. For instance, crossed arms may indicate defensiveness, while a genuine smile can signal openness. Practicing mindfulness can significantly enhance your awareness of your surroundings, allowing you to notice these subtle signals more readily. Take a moment to observe how people interact in different situations, focusing on their gestures and expressions. Look for cues like eye contact, posture, and even micro-expressions that can indicate underlying feelings or intentions. By sharpening your observational skills, you can improve your ability to connect with others and respond appropriately in various social contexts. 3. Active listening. Active listening is a communication technique that involves fully engaging with the speaker to understand their message without interruption. Its key components include reflection, where you paraphrase what the speaker has said, and clarification, which involves asking questions to ensure comprehension. This approach not only shows respect, but also helps you grasp the nuances of the conversation. Paying attention to tone and context is equally important, as these elements can reveal underlying emotions and intentions. For instance, a hesitant tone may indicate uncertainty, while a confident voice can suggest assurance. To deepen your understanding, encourage open-ended questions that invite the speaker to elaborate on their thoughts and feelings. By practicing active listening, you can gain valuable insights into others' perspectives, enhancing your ability to read people effectively and empathetically. 4. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, while also being aware of the emotions of others. It encompasses 5 key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Developing emotional intelligence is crucial for reading people effectively, as it allows you to recognize subtle emotional cues and respond appropriately. By honing your empathy, you can better understand others' feelings and perspectives, fostering deeper connections. To improve your emotional intelligence, start by practicing self-reflection to enhance self-awareness. Engage in active listening to better grasp others' emotions, and ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue. Additionally, seek feedback from trusted friends or colleagues to gain insights into your emotional responses. By enhancing your emotional intelligence, you can navigate social interactions with greater ease and understanding. 5. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in understanding others, often conveying more than spoken words. It encompasses various types of cues, including gestures, facial expressions, posture, and eye contact. For instance, an open posture can indicate receptiveness, while crossed arms may suggest defensiveness. However, it's essential to recognize that nonverbal signals can vary significantly across cultures, which can lead to misinterpretations. For example, a thumbs-up gesture is positive in some cultures, but offensive in others. To enhance your ability to read people, encourage yourself to observe and analyze nonverbal signals in your daily interactions. Pay attention to how people express themselves through their body language and facial expressions, and consider the context in which these cues occur. By becoming more attuned to nonverbal communication, you can gain deeper insights into others' emotions and intentions. 6. Contextual awareness. Understanding the importance of context is vital when interpreting people's behaviors and emotions. Situational factors, such as the environment, social dynamics, and cultural background, significantly influence how individuals act and react. For instance, someone may appear anxious in a crowded room, but relaxed in a familiar setting. Encouraging viewers to consider the environment when assessing behavior can lead to more accurate interpretations. For example, a person crossing their arms might be perceived as defensive in a tense meeting, but in a casual setting, it could simply indicate comfort. Similarly, a smile in a professional context may convey politeness, while the same smile in a social gathering could express genuine happiness. By being mindful of context, you can better understand the complexities of human behavior and respond more empathetically. 7. Practical exercises. To enhance your ability to read people effectively, consider incorporating practical exercises into your daily routine. Start by observing interactions in everyday scenarios, such as at a coffee shop or during a meeting. Pay attention to body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Afterward, take a moment to reflect on what you observed. Encourage journaling your experiences to track your progress and insights over time. Note specific instances where your interpretations were accurate or where you learned something new. For further learning and practice, explore resources like books on emotional intelligence, online courses on nonverbal communication, or podcasts that delve into human behavior. Engaging with these materials can deepen your understanding and provide additional techniques to refine your observational skills, ultimately enhancing your interactions with others. 8. Ethical considerations. When it comes to writing people without their knowledge, ethical implications must be taken into account. It's crucial to emphasize that these skills should be used for positive and constructive purposes, such as fostering understanding and improving communication. Misreading or manipulating others can lead to significant consequences, including damaged relationships and a loss of trust. Therefore, it's essential to approach your observations with integrity and respect. Encourage viewers to be mindful of privacy and boundaries in their assessments, recognizing that everyone has the right to their own emotional space. By prioritizing ethical considerations, you can ensure that your ability to read people enhances interactions rather than undermines them. Ultimately, using these skills responsibly will contribute to healthier, more meaningful connections with those around you. In this video, we explored essential techniques for reading people effectively and ethically. We discussed the importance of honing observational skills, practicing active listening, and developing emotional intelligence. By being mindful of nonverbal communication and contextual awareness, you can gain deeper insights into others' emotions and intentions. Remember to use these skills positively and respect people's privacy and boundaries. I encourage you to practice these techniques in your daily life, whether at work, with friends, or in social settings. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more insightful content. So let's continue this journey of understanding human behavior together. Thank you for watching.